take a look at this video.
Leo adjusted his oversized paper hat, wiping thick grease from the counter as the grill hissed. His tiny paws were caked in flour and oil, flipping patties through the relentless lunch rush. He checked the clock, his heart heavy.
What if I told you that the video you just watched was made from a single prompt? Sounds crazy, right? Well, AI is evolving incredibly fast, and in 2026, YouTube automation channels are using tools like this to create amazing content and scale their channels faster than ever. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a simple idea into a fully animated short film using just one AI platform. So make sure you watch every step closely, and stick around until the end because I've got a special surprise for you that you won't want to miss. Creating AI movies normally requires ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney or Flux for images, Kling or Veo for videos, and CapCut for editing. But today, I'm testing an AI platform that claims to combine that entire workflow into one place. I'll be guiding you from the brainstorming process all the way to generating the final short film, so let's see if it actually delivers. And honestly, this AI tool is truly a beast, because if you look around, you can see the amazing features that it offers, such as story to video, kids story to video, interview video, as well as short drama video. It even includes top models like Seedance too. So think of this as an all-in-one creative platform, rather than just another image or video generator. If you click right here on Story to Video, you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, everything looks pretty simple. All you need to do is describe your story or paste in a script. If you don't have anything in mind, you can click right here on Get Ideas, where you'll find plenty of story ideas to help you get started. For this demonstration, I'm going to paste in a story of my choice. It doesn't have to be too long. I simply wrote, "A poor kitten works at a burger restaurant to buy ice cream for his girlfriend." Let's use MagicLight's short drama workflow to turn this simple idea into a complete 1-minute animated film. All you need to do is select the animation style. You have different presets to choose from, including realistic styles, 3D cartoon, and many others. Since we're making a kid's story, I'm gonna go with the cartoon story preset. For the model, you have lots and lots of models to choose from, but I recommend leaving it as is, or you can take it up with ChatGPT 5.6. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and if you head over to the settings, you can also choose the voice over voice. I think Ethan sounds great, so we'll leave it as is. For the duration, you can generate videos that are up to 60 minutes long, which is honestly impressive. For this demonstration though, I'm gonna keep it short and generate a 1-minute film. Everything looks good, so let's click Next. This is one of the reasons I like this platform so much. Instead of simply generating a video, it helps with the creative process from start to finish. It automatically breaks the story into scenes, creates the script structure, and plans each shot for you. As you can see, it's already generated 4 scenes with a total of 12 shots. Now let's click Next, and it's generating our characters. While that's happening, you can click right here to add your own character. This is also where the asset store comes into play, because you'll find plenty of ready-made character presets that you can use immediately. If you're looking for something specific, you can simply search for it. But for this example, I'm just gonna let MagicLight generate everything automatically. Okay. In no time, our characters are ready, and I think it did an amazing job. We have Leo, the shop owner, the girlfriend, and every character matches the story really well. If you want to make changes, you can simply click Edit, but I'm happy with these results, so let's continue. Now we're over to the storyboard, where you can see the full generation process taking place. MagicLight is creating every shot for the story, so give it a couple of minutes while it finishes. And do stick around, because at the end of the video, I'll be announcing something you won't want to miss. Alright, our storyboard is now complete, and once again, the quality looks fantastic. The scenes are detailed, the characters remain consistent, and everything follows the story really well. Now it's time to animate every shot. For each one, you can choose the video model you want to use. I'm going to select Seedance 2 and hit Confirm. You can repeat this for every shot, and in no time, the entire story is animated. Let's play one of the clips. As you can see, The animation looks smooth, the characters stay consistent, and I don't notice any strange morphing or distortions. Once everything is finished, click Next. From here, you can choose subtitles for the story. I'll go with this style right here. For the background music, I'd recommend using one of the suggested tracks because they usually fit the story quite well. Now click Generate. Choose your preferred resolution. I'll go with 1080p and let MagicLight render the final video. While it's rendering, you'll notice that MagicLight has already generated a title, a summary, and even hashtags that you can use when publishing your video. This makes it much easier to produce videos consistently, which is why so many creators are adopting AI storytelling workflows like this. Alright, the final video is ready, so let's take a look.
Leo adjusted his oversized paper hat, wiping thick grease from the counter as the grill hissed. His tiny paws were caked in flour and oil, flipping patties through the relentless lunch rush. He checked the clock, his heart heavy. He needed exactly $50 for the gift card, but his tips only totaled $48. A greasy rag hit the floor as the manager barked for one last clean. Leo spent an extra hour scrubbing, his fur becoming matted with grime and soapy water. Finally, he clocked out, clutching his meager earnings. He sprinted through the streets, the cool night air biting at his damp coat as he raced toward his goal. The lights were dimming. Leo pressed his face against the cold glass of the locked door. His heart sinking, he emptied his wallet, watching 2 crumpled bills flutter to the sidewalk. He knocked desperately, pointing to his empty pockets. The owner shook his head, but then Leo pulled out a worn photo of his girlfriend. He tapped the image with a trembling paw. Vanilla scoop secured, Leo dashed parkward, prize in hand. As she tasted the ice cream, Leo sat back, his grease-stained paws finally at rest.
Honestly, I think it did an amazing job. The animation looks smooth, the story flows naturally, and the character consistency is surprisingly good throughout the entire video. Starting from a single idea, MagicLight handled the script, generated the characters, created the storyboard, animated every scene, and produced the finished short drama, all without needing to jump between multiple AI tools. That's what makes this workflow so convenient. You can even connect your YouTube account and publish directly from the platform, which saves even more time. Heading back to the dashboard, you'll also notice Seedance 2 Video, which is the model we use during the generation process. If you ever want to create standalone clips, you can simply enter any prompt here and generate videos separately. Now, let's take a look at the asset store. If you open the characters section, you'll find lots of ready-made presets ranging from realistic people to stylized animated characters. You can also open My Characters, where all of your generated characters are saved. These become reusable assets, making it much easier to create videos with consistent characters in future projects. The same goes for visual styles. You can either browse styles created by the community, or create your own by clicking Create Style, uploading reference images, and describing the look you're after. That style can then be reused across future projects or even published for other creators to use. One feature that really stands out is the creator ecosystem. You're not limited to making videos. You can also publish your own characters, visual styles, voices, or skills. When other creators reuse those assets, they can generate rewards for you over time. So you're not just creating videos, you're building reusable creative assets. Before you go, MagicLight has also partnered with me to run a giveaway for you guys. They'll be selecting winners to receive 20,000 MagicLight credits and 1 month of MagicLight Pro. If you'd like to enter, all the details will be in the description below. Good luck, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, the link to MagicLight will be in the description below.